This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, August 25th, 2015, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a big upper-level feature over the Great Lakes. That's slowly moving away. Ridge over the south and west. That's slowly not coming in our direction. We have a northwesterly flow in between the two, and that's going to keep the temperatures fairly cool for this time of the year. At least 5 to 8, 9 degrees below seasonal levels. Highs today still in the 70s to around 80. The around 80 would be in far southwestern Iowa. And that'll be the case as we move through the rest of the next couple of days as well. Plenty of sunshine around, a couple of afternoon clouds. That's about all we're going to see both today, here on Wednesday, and then as we move into Thursday, another system's going to be approaching. This could bring a late-day shower in our far western counties. The rest of the state should remain dry. There'll be a few more clouds around. Highs still mainly in the 70s to around 80 for the most part. Friday looks to be rather cloudy across the state. There's a good chance there could be some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder. Temperatures will be held down in the lower and middle 70s. Better chances of rain look to be in our northern and western counties at this point. And then that'll slowly clear by Saturday morning and into the middle part of the day. That'll slowly clear out. Skies will clear. Temperatures will be still in the 70s for the weekend here Saturday and Sunday. First half of Saturday looks rather wet or at least cloudy. And then the second half of Saturday and all of Sunday looks to be fine. You see here on Sunday, it looks to be sunny, highs in the 70s to around 80 once again. And then on Monday, the GFS has a little bit of precipitation around. My likelihood is it's probably going to be fairly dry, maybe a few more clouds. Highs in the 70s to lower 80s across the state. As we move to next Tuesday, you can see a ridge still kind of in the plains back into the south and west. We have a trough moving into the north and west with a system that's moving through that area, and that may slowly come in our direction into our extended period. We'll have to see, but what it will do is it will begin to bring some warmer temperatures into the middle part of next week, and that's something we're going to have to watch, as temperatures could get back into the 80s. We'll see. And speaking of that, going into the extended period, the 5th of September, you can see a ridge is now over the mid-Atlantic, the Carolinas. You can still see that trough in the north and west. We have a southwesterly flow aloft, and that typically means a lot more warm weather. It also means we'll be a little more active as we move into the month of September, around the Labor Day weekend, unfortunately, the last true weekend of summer. Some showers and thunderstorms are possible during this period. We still have plenty of time to watch it. The end of the forecast on September the 9th. Main storm track across the northern tier of the country, but it's getting to be a little further south each time as we're moving into September. Ridge pretty much across the southern tier of the country. And with that, there'll be a few systems around. No real organization at this point. Still looks to see temperatures near seasonal levels, maybe a few degrees above that. But we have plenty of time to watch it and plenty of time for stuff to change as well. Satellite image from last evening, you can see that low pressure center marked with the L over the Great Lakes. That's continuing to bring in the northwesterly winds around here, and a few low clouds that'll slowly be clearing away. Otherwise, it's fairly calm and quiet. A couple of storms in the south, which brought, as you can see with the Watch 20 map, not much weather. The only action is really in the northwest, and that has to do with wildfires. A lot of bad air quality, red flag warnings up there. The rest of the nation is fairly quiet at this time. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts could be ranging from almost nothing in southeast Iowa to over an inch in northwest Iowa, with the heaviest along the Carolina coast.